to behind the trigger, and hopefully this is going to be a quick video on how to make a quick cleaning cable for not only your pellet rifles but also for your rimfire rifles. This is actually the method I use to clean my rimfire rifles. All you need: some patches, some trimmer line for a weed whip. I like to start out with about 2 arm lengths and something to cut it with. We're going to start off. What I like to do is take a pair of dikes, aka the side cutters, and just cut an angle on it so I have a nice point to put the patch on it. Next, we're going to heat up one end, melt it, and we're going to make a little stop for the patch. And for that, all you have to do is take the end that you did not cut the angle on, and I'm going to use a pellet to try and form the little end to hold the patch. Just heat it up enough, and this stuff generally has a low melting temperature, so it doesn't take long. You don't want to burn it, just enough that you can form it a little bit. Then you stake it, take the head of the pellet and push it a little bit. Let it cool. We got a nice little stop for the patch. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this side right here that's cut to a point, and first we're going to cut a full-size patch down a little bit, about half, just because the bore of pellet rifle is kind of small, at least a 177. And we're going to take this, poke it through. I'm going to find about center, poke it through just like so. Then normal on rimfire, I would start at the chamber end, but because of the way the shroud's made, I'm going to start from the barrel on the pellet rifle. Not too worried about the rifling in this. I'm just pulling this trimmer line. It's fairly soft. It shouldn't mar it up. If it does, there's something wrong. And we're just going to pull it through like so. Okay. And as you can see, look how dirty that is. We're going to do that a couple times. Here's my other half of the patch. And of course, you can use solvent. I might end up doing that. But pellets are extremely dirty. If you ever notice when you're loading a pellet gun, your hands turned black. Well, that's all lead residue. And you definitely want to clean your barrel, and you want to clean your hands after handling pellets, especially if you have small kids. So we're going to do that. Just going to do this one more time. It's relatively easy, and it's cheap. This is stuff I have laying around, and every time you do it's going to get cleaner. I'm not going to finish cleaning this rifle just because of the time. I did take off the barrel shroud just so you can see kind of what I'm doing and how I'm throwing it down the barrel itself. If this end right here, this little ball that you made using the pellet, if it gets too big, just heat it up a little bit and just kind of twist it up with your hand a little bit. You just need enough. You just need it big enough to hold that patch. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you have any comments or questions, hit up the comment section. Till next time.